Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the stream. And tonight's performance is joined to you by BIOS. But sadly, BIOS, he is sick right now, so you will have to do with me. Hello. You just gotta... Shit. You just gotta love when you're fucking sick and everything. I'm actually really quick gonna move you right up there, just like this. Okay. I'm really gonna take this one off first of all. Hello, everyone. It's been a long time since I've last streamed. Yeah, and I don't have an excuse for that, so let's just jump right into it. One of the reasons is maybe because of sickness. Maybe and maybe not. So let me actually take my real glasses on top of my sunglasses, so I can look edgy and shit. And let me actually switch scenes right there. So, today we are in Visual Studios for once in my life, pretty much. And what we are going to do today is to first of all drink some water. Secondly, we are going to make a BIOS for fully custom CPU architecture that I have. And maybe we will be able to make the file system too. And just so everyone knows, all of this is on GitHub, and I'm really gonna move this one right there, move it a little bit up, back a little bit. Can I see that? It's very hard to see, and I'm right now. You're gonna have to bear with me with my t-shirt now. Okay, so that's the plan. Good job. Okay, I'll try to not cough into the fucking mic, but I can't promise you anything. Now, can you guys even see me? You guys can... Just gotta love when fucking people don't have eyes and shit. Like, you just gotta love it. Zoom in. Can you guys now see something? Maybe if I do the increase the font. Can it be seen? Can it be seen? Oh shit, that's actually not a lot of space. All of a sudden, I'm actually gonna zoom out, but increase the font size twice, just so I also have space for a terminal. Okay, but yeah, we've gone over the plan. Now we just gotta figure out what a BIOS actually is. Could I open up I could open up a private view, Gushy. I want to do that. And of course you're over here. Just so I don't fucking leak all my precious stuff. And now there is some FPS drops. Are we good now? Hello? It's just when I'm on Opera. And also, do I even have any mods here? I shouldn't have done that. Huh? Working? Still? Oh yeah, still fucking working. Yay. Okay, so let us figure out what a BIOS is at first. Fuck you. Gyldendal. Why does fucking Gyldendal... Okay. I hate being in Denmark. We're gonna activate fucking operas. Yeah, because that's the fucking... we're really quick gonna move over to the US. For this stream. About this... No. That's a boss. That's a boss. I can't see any more bosses. Thank you. Okay, great. Goshi. We are in fucking American Google now with dark mode and everything. Great, so I don't attract fucking why is Wikipedia still fucking light? Okay. Oh, buffering lag. Fuck that. Okay, so at BIOS, that's a fuck ton of text for an in computing. BIOS, basic input output system, also known as the system BIOS, ROM BIOS, BIOS ROM, and or PC BIOS, is a firmware used to provide runtime services for operating systems and programs, and to perform hardware initialization during the booting phase. Power on setup. Okay. That didn't give me that much of an idea. This program's microprocessor used to start the operating system after it is powered on and after it's powered on. It also manages data flow between the operating system and attached hardware such as hard disks, video adapters, keyboards. As firmware on the motherboard, in contrast, an OS like Windows or iOS can either be pre-installed by the manufacturer or vendor, or installed by the user. BIOS is a program that makes accessibility to the microprocessor on an erasable programmable EEPROM chip. When used turns on the computer, the microprocessor faces control to the BIOS program, which is already located and placed on the one. Power on self-test post.
Nyd øjeblikket og få fuld kontrol over, hvad der sker.
Yeah, I can just do that.
Med din musik. Med Spotify Premium
Thank God for having a
playlist
fucking laptop.
den rækkefølge, du
But I
foretrækker.
can't hear it.
Der er ingen reklamepauser. Bare musik uden afbrydelser og
That's actually a
begrænsninger.
disadvantage.
Tryk på banneret for at læse mere.
Alright, we're gonna open it up again. Is there something in my mouse or something? Oh, no. Right there. Wait. this tests the hardware on the computer before loading the OS. Bootstrap loader. This locates the operating system. Software/drivers locates the software and drivers that interfaces with the OS once running. Oh, yeah. Alright, you guys can even see me when I'm fucking hiding behind. Yeah, I'm gonna move it a little bit over here. Happy now? That's not that side. I need to remember that's fucking flipped. It's hard. Actually, I'm gonna move it over there to that corner over there just so I don't fucking spill it. I moved you there and actually I'm gonna yeah, I'm gonna fucking take on the whole thing. Okay. So so what we're gonna do is that we're gonna say fuck security, and we're gonna say yes to user so that users can fucking make their own systems, make an operating system, as it would also be called. So we need to define a few things, and it all of a sudden got dark in here. Okay, so we need to define a few things about the operating system. One of them being where the thing should be. What do I say here in my specs? We have how much is that in decimal? Next to decimal. That's 512 bytes. Oh, that's not much. We have 512 bytes in each sector. Wait, should we then just simply say that we have a whole page? A whole page for the fucking BIOS or what? That's going to be interesting to read. Like, I've already defined some bytes at the bottom. And then we also have 510 other pages. Okay, so what if we use page 1, sector 4, right? Sector 4, and use the 55AA thing, and the rest of the three things to hold all the code. The rest of like the page to hold all code. So that means that we have around how much? We have 2 kilobytes of bootloader for the user. I need to make some fucking adjustments to the assembler. I can feel like fuck my life. Okay, so okay, so I think what we should do is that we should put org 0. Say that this is 0. And we should probably also state that from 0 to... I need to move this fucking keyboard now. From 0 to... I don't know. We have a BIOS. We have the whole BIOS. And which that will be a whole BIOS, including the file system. But with the file systems, I have a thing there, and now I need to figure out where the fuck Excel wants to open. Because I don't want to leak my full name yet. So I'm really gonna... Sorry, but you guys can't see my name yet. I don't want to leak my name yet. Yep, nope, I can't. Or maybe I can. Couldn't find this, fuck you. Open. Sometimes you just gotta love Microsoft and their fucking word shit. And now I'm probably gonna get kicked out of the school now because I just said that. It couldn't actually fucking, like, it wouldn't wonder me if I got fucking kicked out of my school if I said that. That was the BS assembly, there, CPU specs stack, there, and then we will go over to the other account that I have that doesn't have a license. Good. So I have this Excel arc right here where I have typed out all of the things here, and specifically for reading the disk, I have 4 very important things: read, write, read sector, and write count. Those are the things that we have. And why is it so fucking laggy? It's even laggy on my fucking... Oh, great. Now I can... There's sometimes some jumps. Well, do you know what? I'm just gonna close this one down then. Holy shit, encoding errors are fucking bugged. How does that even look here? Like on stream, how does that look? Holy shit! Yeah, man. No fucking way! Shit, man, I'm lagging behind. Yes. Like seriously, I'm fucking lagging behind. Oh, okay, now I'm laughing about it. Yes. Great. That was like a half an hour ago. Or something. I need to power this. My headache and my fucking finish yet. I hope. What, that's oh, shit, fuck. Okay. So BIOS. Oh, this is going to be fucked. Because Okay. Okay. An idea that I have is to run it wild. Run shit wild. Like, very fucking wild. And what I mean by that... Am I still lagging behind? No, not okay, great. Okay, so the idea that I have is hooked up, but hear me out. Hear me out. We have... This is going to be so fucking bad. We have from FFFF that number minus hex 9000, and doing this calculation yields us oh, that wasn't actually that much. Fuck. Which this yields us about... How much is that? And that wasn't actually that much. 45k. That is not 45k. That is 4 megabytes. Fuck. That is not 45k. Why is it? No, wait. I need a calculator. I need a fucking calculator. I just leaked someone's name, I think. Oh, that is not 45k. Kilobytes. Okay, it's... That's 400 and nearly 50 fucking kilobytes. Oh, sorry, kilobits. Which isn't even one floppy drive. Depending on what floppy drive is. What is the floppy drive? That is... Oh no, doesn't tell me. Okay. Yeah, what should we do there? Because I can't make 450 kilobyte programs only. Because the bootloader drivers, some file system shit, and other shit also needs to be there. I have an idea. What if we just reserve a whole bank for user programs? That actually sounds fucked up, and I'm gonna do it anyways. Okay, so that one. So that's 1 megabyte. So if we have a whole fucking... If we reserve a whole bank for user programs, shit. A whole bank. Yeah. No. I just don't know. A whole bank of data, of just user run data. That seems a little bit wasteful, but 1 megabyte of... Then you can go all the way up to 1 megabyte of data, which first of all no one's gonna use. And there comes some ads. Fuck you, Matas. Okay, so... Hmm. 1 megabyte. Okay, yes, we're gonna do it. We're gonna use a whole fucking bank on it. We're gonna dedicate a whole fucking bank. Which is actually RAM. It's actually RAM. Yeah, we are. So this will be RAM. But then we also need a way to point to it. So how can we be able to point? I have just read that. Okay, if we go into our instruction set, right? And we then make a new instruction called call pro and make it take in an address and say that actually we don't even need to do an address actually, because yeah, so call a function call a function at bank 2, I think it was, or was it 3? It was 3 at address 0. We're gonna jump to that location, and then after that we're gonna return from the function call, and then we will do what? Yeah, okay, we'll have to have some boilerplate of some magnitude. We'll have to have some boilerplate of some magnitude, yeah. So return from program, and here we will say returns from the function. Return from a function. No, returns from function. Now with those two, I think then I will wanna do, actually, I need to move this one. Right, I'm not straight. Yeah, so fun fact, my back ain't straight. Oh, shit. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is that here in the BIOS, and I'm also thinking maybe we are not. Okay, we will be making a way for like the kernel to just simply say, yeah, we will take from that disk over there and throw it into RAM over there using some kind of interrupt or something. Using some kind of interrupt at some point. Okay, so right, I've just used the last how many minutes now? The last 30 minutes just saying that, just being here. Okay, so yeah, we can. Okay, yes, we're gonna do that. So now, what we need to do is to actually make the BIOS. More up. Interesting that it is. I'm sweating AM. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is that we're gonna make BIOS and go from there. Okay, so in ROM, two seconds. I maybe have a way to execute something a little bit easier. So I have myself a memory bank here, right? If I extend that and say program memory bank, the PMB, the program memory bank, which will be stating what in what bank the program is at. Then we can state, but I think that will have to be after a jump. We will set that one. Or else, 2 seconds, we could have ourselves a boot thing here that literally just says move PMB to, I don't know, 1 or something. What do I have in 1? We have some general purpose IO there actually. But why did we have the cache? We had the cache there, and how big was the... That was 4 kilobytes. That was 4 kilobytes of cached data. So yeah, we're gonna move this one to bank 3, and I don't have syntax tiling here because, funny enough, and then we can move, and then we can put that one up there. And then when we finally return, it will have to be returned to here. So we will make a call of some kind and say boot, which will then immediately move the memory, the program memory pointer. No, the program memory bank to 3, switching the banks, and then I'll have to think of the rest. Yes, okay. Well, okay, so it's just time for me to just make the first part of this. Actually, reading from the disk. Like, reading from the disk. Getting the bytes. And comparing the bytes. Those are 3 simple steps, but I know I'll bang my head against the wall at some point. Okay. That's not how it's typed later. Yeah. Up to static. Up to 6 here. Okay. So, what I'm thinking is that the disks are from A to D, actually from A to E, and actually also F. Yeah. Okay. Yep. Me. Okay. So we can. What if we first of all? So now that this has been, so we will then push all the registers which are 0 right now. Push all of them in, and then yes, okay. But yeah, pushing all the registers in. That's 0 right now, and the reasoning we're gonna push those in. Actually, really quick, gonna take my microphone a little bit closer so you guys can hear me. Hear my beautiful fucking voice. Come on now. Hello. Yep, enough of that. But yeah, then we'll push in all 0s, hopefully. And then we will have to read at, actually no wait, actually we can do the first thing now. Move the XLC, not 0 but A. Does that even have syntax hiding anymore? It does. I just can't see it. Cool. Alright, yeah, so doing that. Then we will... Oh shit, we'll have to look at the... Nope, we only need to look at this one. I don't know what the fuck those coughs were, but okay. Those initial coughs there, but okay. Okay, so we need to have the disk from 0 to 6. So let's do that. Then we need to have a short data. Which we... Yeah, actually let's push AX in now. Let's push the page, which is page 1. And then let's push in the sector we want to read, which is number 4. Because it starts at 1 and goes to 4. Now, we'll have to make this in loop. Then we'll have to call read. And where did we then get the thing? We would then get it in the cache. Yeah, so now we'll have to move the memory bank to 2. Then we'll use because I'm probably going to split them up into, or am I going to split them up into byte sections? No, I'm not gonna throw them into byte sections. I'm going to put them in shorts. Yeah, I'm going to put them in shorts. Yeah. So we can use AX and make it point to the end the cache here, which is 0201 FFF, which is a high byte, and FFFE, that would be B. Then we can compare AX to, that was 55AA, so AA, and then 55. So jump not true up to the loop, which is right now not named. And actually, let's actually make a quick thing that was Moniac he did. What did he do? He did this. What does this do? Excellent question. Okay, so think of this. We have just pushed all the registers. Then we are loading XL, which is an 8-bit register, to keep in mind. So that means that's from 0 to 255, or FF. And then we're gonna increase it by 1, which will do so that it gets overflown back to 0. So if any of those did not complete, oh sorry, if both of those didn't complete, then we know we have the disk. We have the disk. Now we have the disk and all that. It's we have, yeah, we now have it all. Pretty much. And so now what we could now do is to just, yeah, so now that we've gotten the bytes and all that, we'll now probably make, something point to it, probably. So I ideally hope something will point to it. So we're still in memory bank 2, which, what was here? There's some reserved memory actually. Let's just throw it there. Let's make it point to 0. And actually we have some other things. Actually we can also just make it push a 0 in there and just get it from there. I think I just realized something. We don't even need that label. We can remove the label. Actually, yeah, we need the label. Because we need to jump to underscore main actually. And the reason we need to do that is because else we're gonna move the fucking program memory bank to somewhere that we don't want. Unused code that we don't need. All this is there, yes, check. Yeah, okay, so that should be good. Enough, at least for now. Now what we need to do. Okay, so now what we need to do is that now we need to say that yeah. Is it just the now boot? No, wait, this is, we need to fucking also test the motherfucking devices. Good morning. So, we're gonna make a function called test ports, where we are going to have frame drop. Okay, cool. Where we are going to have ourselves the AL, sorry, XL, sorry, for the port, and maybe in the DX for the value, for the success value. Then what we need to do is to just simply say that we will output into DX XL DX. I'm gonna make an glorified fucking moment here. Push AX, so we're gonna input from XL AX, and what we're also gonna do is that we're gonna glorify it a little bit. So if it was success 1, actually no, we have to fucking error risk the error flag and carry. We can just use those. For fuck's sake, Bjorn, why don't you think? So when we import, when we import things, shit. But yeah, when we import the things, we should probably be doing something with it, funny enough. But what, I don't know. We should probably say that if there was an error, or it failed, Yeah, if it failed, then we'll jump carry. And if it was an error, then we'll jump to error, and here we'll just success. Success. And error here. Actually make it called port error. The port not bound, I guess. Port not bound. Which for now we'll just hold the computer. So we'll have to make actually yeah, we're gonna say jump not is there, which will just in RTS out there. Pop AX RTS out there, because don't want to make an offset all the time. And also, why did we didn't at least do that? But yeah, yeah. So if we okay, so this is the fail. What if we just have, how many ports do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ports. What if we just pick a memory location and just add a bit if it's there? Yeah. Why don't we do that, maybe? Oh. So yeah, maybe actually... That isn't actually the worst idea I've gotten. But also not the best. I'll have to save something for that. Okay, so okay, so what if we say that right now we're in memory location 2. Actually, no, we aren't. Because this is before we're reading the disk. So we are right now in memory location 0. Let's move that one up by 1 and let us really quickly save a byte here. And let's then use, let's make a variable right here saying ports is there, and let's make it pointed actually, and let's make it point to 02000. Yeah, let's make a point to there. And now if it failed, we're gonna say now that is an OR for yeah, okay, good. Let's make a variable at fffff and release it right after we are done. Oh, we could also just make a variable in the stack. But I don't want to fucking do some... I don't want to do the stack manipulation. I've already done enough of that already. I don't want to do fucking stack manipulation. Okay, 2 seconds. Didn't I fucking also support plus and minus? This can be turned into a clip. I'm a small gremlin. Holy shit, my chair. Never been this small. I've just grown a fucking head higher or something. Why is this so fun to me? Like, just it gives off the same energy to like this. Gives off the same energy as this. Like as this. Fuck, I couldn't even do it, dang it. Oh, that's actually the perfect height. Just... Hello? Holy shit, you guys can actually still hear me. What if I talk down? What? Oh, okay, yeah. Hello? Holy fucking shit. Okay, yeah, like I'm not being an old man, don't worry. Like, don't worry, I'm not being an old man. Like, what do you talk about being an old man and some shit like that? Like, I'm not being an old man and all that. 2 seconds, we could also just use fucking reserved memory. Didn't I use reserved memory beforehand? No, I didn't. Okay, great. So we can use 70,000 ticks. Yep. What the fuck was I about to say? Right, yeah, we could place the value in the reserved memory at 70,000. Beyond.exe didn't not responding. I could make that into a clip. Like, what was I even thinking there? I can't even remember what. Help! Shit, wait, what? Fucking gosh, I'm getting tired and old. Yeah, I'm getting too fucking tired, Lord. Shit. Okay. Okay. Today, okay, so I think that will be it. Yeah, this will also
Matas
be the
har vi over
last ad for the
50.000
day.
produkter til dig og din hverdag.
Yeah, fuck you.
Uanset om du er hardcore beauty lover
Okay.
eller på jagt efter en ny mascara, der giver lange vipper.
So, I
Mere til
think that was
dig
it.
og det liv, du lever med et barn i maven, på armen eller i hånden. Om
That was part
læbeskoene er
1.
godt snøret ind, eller du finder dit send ved at rulle yogamåtten ud.
This is part 1 of making a
Vi ses i
BIOS
Matas
on
og på Matas.dk.
on fucking stream. Wait, what? Didn't I
Playlister
fucking
viser, hvem du
go
er.
you down?
Lyt til.
I just gave fucking Matas fucking free advertisement. Fuck me. Okay, so what we did was that we checked for fucking value and we came up with ideas to boot. We haven't been able to post. We haven't been able to post, boot, check, error handling, basic input output, file system handling, interrupt handling, which also delves into fucking that one. But we've made systems, I guess. Yeah. I'm not gonna be able to remember any of this here tomorrow, so yeah. Well, ladies and gentlemen, see you guys tomorrow or something when I finally get this car back away. Well, ladies and gentlemen. Well, okay, then I'll fucking go then. See you guys. Now, ladies and gentlemen, now that Bjorn Biss has gone, you guys should go out and take yourself a bath and drink some water and touch grass. No matter if you're sleeping, eating, or anything else, go out and touch some grass. And a plant doesn't count as some grass. It needs to be those strands of green leaves or something that's on the ground. Because now I can see that Bjorn Biss is doing the same.